Alright, today we want to review everything that's been presented about ERNIE 5.0, Baidu's new model. What we've seen in real tests, comparisons, and official demonstrations is that Baidu recently held an event where they launched several products, with the main focus being the new version of their foundational model, ERNIE 5.0. A system trained from scratch to work with text, images, audio, and video all within a single architecture. From the ERNIE bot platform, we can already select this version and test it directly. In the initial comparisons they showed, the model was pitted against alternatives like GPT-5 High-T, Gemini 5.2.5 Pro, and other systems, and across different categories: general knowledge, instruction following, mathematical reasoning. It positions itself well without always taking first place, but is clearly competitive. They also showed that the preview variant of ERNIE 5.0 reached second place in LMS and Arena rankings, just behind some Google and OpenAI models. The visual capabilities also caught our attention. In image understanding tests, its performance matched other recent models. For visual generation, they compared it with VO3 systems, as we can see here. They demonstrated solid results in both still images and video. In audio, they benchmarked it against GPT-4 audio and Gemini 2.5, showing good transcription and voice comprehension. When testing it directly, we saw it handles multiple chats simultaneously for different tasks: simple queries, image generation, video creation, and more. We also found that its image generation delivers acceptable results, though not as precise as models specialized in faces or realistic styles. Still, the capability is there and it responds reliably. Additionally, Baidu presented its own hardware by showcasing the Kunlun chip, developed specifically for AI processing. The Kunlun M100 could arrive in 2026 for large-scale inference, while the Kunlun M300 is expected in early 2027. Independent analyses showed ERNIE 5.0 can generate images and videos, understand visual clips, and achieve results comparable to Gemini 2.5 Pro or GPT-5 High. In internal benchmarks for text, vision, and audio generation, it matches or exceeds several competing models. Beyond these capabilities, Baidu presented an entire ecosystem built around the model. We're talking about agents that work with multiple modalities, no-code platforms for creating apps, workspaces integrating documents, presentations, videos and podcasts, and productivity tools with built-in AI. Digital humans with synchronized expressions and voice were also mentioned, which are widely used in e-commerce. Another key point was the discussion of international expansion, which reflects a strategy of building not just models but an entire infrastructure of chips, foundation models, agents, applications, intelligent search, and more, right? So with all the information we've reviewed, we can see that ERNIE 5.0 emerges as an advanced multimodal model, competitive across multiple benchmarks, accompanied by tools, services, and products that extend its reach. Baidu is moving quickly with frequent releases, extensive capabilities, and an expansion ecosystem already serving users and business.